In a major development in the Ketan Agarwal murder case, the brother of accused Sia Goyal has made a statement during police interrogation. Sahil Goyal, who was questioned for nearby 10 hours, told investigators that the family would have called off Sia's marriage if she had expressed any discomfort about it. Shweta Verma continues to be with us on the broadcast. Shweta, many details are emerging. But the story is not adding up because based on information that we were tracking earlier, Sia's parents knew very well that she already had a relationship going. Now, of course, questioning has taken place where Sahil, who is Sia's brother, has come out and said that if she had any discomfort with the marriage, she should have come out and said so. What are the details that we're tracking? Because it's not really making sense at this point in time.
Well, that's absolutely right. In fact, as the investigation is widening up and the interrogation is taking place every hour, we understand that something or the other new is emerging by the statements of Sia Goyal, then there's Chetan Chaudhary, and now Sahil Goyal. Remember, Sahil Goyal being the elder brother of Sia Goyal, he was, in fact, questioned for 10 long hours yesterday, and he left at night yesterday from Lonavala Gramin police station. But having said that, Sahil Goyal has in fact come up with the strange statements one can understand. Now, he has been saying that parents wouldn't have mind cancelling the marriage if Sia would have said or expressed her discomfort or disliking towards Ketan Agarwal. Now, let's understand this way. If Sia had this much of liberty, or Sia understood her parents, or her parents understood Sia well, this particular stage wouldn't have arrived. And Sia wanted to play typically a safe game, that in front of a family member, she could be a girl who is obeying all their orders, and he is very being a family girl. And in with Chetan, she wanted her relation to continue. Ketan, absolutely, she did dislike Ketan, but allegedly due to family pressure or due to family status, she wanted to continue the marriage, because after engagement, also remember, engagement happened in February, then you have several months. Since then also, she did not come up with the truth to her parents that she do not want to get married, but instead she went to Lohagarh Fort, found a particular spot, understood the strategy, and allegedly pushed off Ketan to his death. So clearly now Sahil Goyal, while giving statement before the police, convenient it is to say that if Sia would have expressed her feelings, things would have been changed. But remember, Sahil is one person who knew about Sia's feelings towards Chetan, and also knew about she disliking or not really into Ketan. So clearly this is getting murkier, but yes, as the Sahil has stated this before police, now it will be important to see what Sia will say while she is getting interrogated.